Have you ever wondered how these delightful, chewy treats are made? Today, we'll take you inside a candy factory to see the magic, unfold the exciting journey of a bubble gum factory to discover the fascinating process behind gummy candy production. Let's get started. From the raw ingredients to the final packaged product, the process of making gummy candies is really fascinating. We'll break down each step so you can see exactly how your favorite gummies are created. Gummy candies have been a favorite treat for people of all ages. But making these chewy delights is no simple task. It all starts with gathering the right ingredients. First, let's look at the key ingredients. Gummy candies typically consist of gelatin, sugar, corn syrup, water, flavorings, and colorings. Gelatin is what gives gummies their unique chewy texture. It's a protein derived from animal collagen and is essential for creating that perfect gummy consistency. Corn syrup. Corn syrup is a sweetener that gives gummy candy its signature taste. It also helps in binding the other ingredients together. Sugar. Gummy candies are known for their sweetness, and sugar plays a crucial role in achieving that perfect balance of flavors. Flavors and colors. These ingredients add fun and variety to gummy candies. They come in a wide range of options, from fruity to sour flavors and vibrant colors. The process begins with precise measurements. The ingredients are carefully weighed and combined in large mixing tanks. The mixture is then heated and stirred until everything is thoroughly dissolved and blended. The first major step in the process is to cook the mixture. The ingredients are combined and heated in large industrial vats. This is where the magic begins. The heat dissolves the sugar and activates the gelatin, creating a sticky, syrupy concoction that will eventually become our gummy candy. The colors are added in liquid or powder form, and the mixture is stirred once again to ensure even distribution. This step is essential for creating the appealing, colorful gummies we all love. Next, the mixture is ready to be shaped into gummies. This is done using molds that come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from the classic gummy bear to intricate themed designs. The colorful, flavorful mixture is poured into molds. These molds can be of different shapes, whether it's dinosaurs, bears, or a brand new design. This is where creativity shines. The mixture is poured into these molds using automated machines that ensure each mold is filled to the right level. This is done quickly and efficiently, with thousands of gummies being formed every hour. After the molds are filled, they are transferred to a cooling tunnel. Here, the gummies are cooled to around 65°F to set the gelatin and allow the candies to firm up. This process usually takes a few hours. Once the mixture is in the molds, the trays are moved to a cooling tunnel. Here, the gummy candies are cooled and set to reach their final chewy texture. Once the gummies are set, it's time to remove them from the molds. This can be done manually or with the help of machines, depending on the size and scale of the production. After cooling, the molds are carefully inverted to release the now firm gummy candies. This process requires precision to maintain the shapes of the candies. The gummies are gently released from the molds and move on to a conveyor belt for the next stage. At this point, they already look like the candies we recognize, but there's still more to be done. Quality control is a crucial part of the gummy candy production process. Each batch of gummies is carefully inspected to ensure they meet the company's standards for size, shape, texture, and flavor. Once the gummies pass the quality control checks, they are ready to be packaged. Packaging is done using automated machines that can quickly and accurately fill bags or containers with the right amount of gummies. The packaging is then sealed to keep the gummies fresh and protected. Labels are added, and the finished product is ready to be shipped to stores. The final step is shipping and distribution. The packaged gummies are boxed up and loaded onto pallets, ready to be sent to retailers around the world. From the factory to your local store, the journey of gummy candies is complete. Thanks to modern manufacturing processes, millions of gummies can be produced and enjoyed by candy lovers everywhere. And there you have it. The fascinating process of how gummy candies are made. From simple ingredients to the delicious treats we all know and love, it's a journey of precision, creativity, and a lot of sweet fun. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at gummy candy production. Next time you enjoy a gummy bear or a fruity gummy ring, you'll know exactly how it came to be. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sweet content.